Well, welcome back to Gardener's Cottage in our YouTube channel. These are the White Honesty in full flower. These plants were sown as seeds last year, grew towards the end of the autumn, sat doing very little during the winter months, and you can see now they're flowering fully. We're in the second week of April when we're filming this, and these will flower now continuously between April and the middle of May, maybe towards the end of May in a colder season. Plenty of flower still to come on these, as you can tell. Height wise on these actually are spiring up to around 4 foot in height, but more normally they carry their flowers at around 2.5 feet, perhaps 3 feet. They're in very fertile new soil here in the White Garden on the Mid Norfolk farm. Gives you some idea what to expect with our White Honesty seed. We grow these in isolation away from the purple variety, so that the seed should come true and give you crystal white flowers, just as we've got here in this garden currently. Now here in this seedbed we've got some young Honesty seedlings that have just come up this season. This is being filmed in April. You wouldn't normally expect these to grow on and flower. Some of them are just trying to struggle. Little one that must have germinated last year. You can see some of the damage done here by pigeons, and if I pan across to this one, you can see particularly this one almost died back completely from pigeon damage. And they are very tasty, these plants, and will attract some pigeons. And if you keep chickens or anything else in the yard where these come up as seedlings, expect them to be pecked quite extensively. But here you can see the characteristic first leaf shape that comes up, and then it's followed by this more ovate classic Honesty leaf. And as they get to the third leaf stage, start to get a little bit hairy, particularly on the underside if you turn them over, quite deeply veined. So that will hopefully help you recognise these young seedlings. They will transplant quite well. They are deep tap-rooted plants by nature, so the earlier you can transplant them to their final flowering position, if you are growing them in a seed bed or in a seed tray or box, then the better. But by the time they've got to the third leaf stage, you will find they've got quite a long deep taproot that you need to take care with when transplanting if you're not going to knock these plants back. And finally, let's show you the Honesty seeds itself. Little flat brown discs, quite little thickened in the centre. These keep very well actually, and they will germinate several years after they've been collected. Usually if you sow these immediately you get them, expect some to germinate very quickly. They're a bit like hollyhocks. You'll get a rapid germination, and sometimes they'll take a lot longer, and sometimes they can sit down in the ground all over winter, and I think there may be an element of the frost breaking that hard case and allowing them to germinate. So don't be surprised if they can take a little while to germinate, but usually 1 to 2 weeks in a warm soil and you'll have those little seedlings we've just demonstrated coming up very reliably. But they will store for several years and give you a surprise germination as a long-term germination. Thanks for watching.